Welcome to We Are the Reds, all about Liverpool Football Club. Don't forget to subscribe if you're a true Red. Premier League Match Day 18. Liverpool vs Wolverhampton, head-to-head predicted lineup. Latest injury news, last updated on December 25th. Predicted lineup. Goalkeeper, Alisson Becker vs Jose Sa. Centre back, Virgil van Dijk vs Bueno. Centre back, Ibrahima Konate vs Matt Doherty. Milos Kerkez vs Ladislav Krejci. Conor Bradley vs Kijana Hover. Ryan Gravenberch vs Fer Lopez. Curtis Jones vs Andre. Alexis Mac Allister vs Joe Gomez. Rio Ngumoha vs David Muller-Wolf. Federico Chiesa vs Jurgen Strand Larsen. Hugo Ekitike vs Hee-chan Wang. Let us know your prediction in the comments. Thank you.